Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some work in my yard. Don't mind my dog. I think I had mentioned this before in a previous video where I'm going to make this whole area a patio area. So I have to dig out all these weeds, all these nettles, all this crabgrass, and just try and get it cleared out so that I can put pavers down. I already started putting some pavers down here just to see what it looked like. I also have pavers here underneath my barbecue grill. Sorry, it's kind of off there. Here, as you can see, eventually I'm gonna put gravel all around there, some gray white gravel around and in between the pavers. So yeah, and then underneath this porch I'm gonna move all this old junk here and put lattice around the bottom of the deck so that I don't have to look at anything that's under there. Anyway, so let me get to work digging and more digging.
Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night, looking at you, making you move.
Okay, so after a couple of months of digging, I would take time out and do sections. This is what I ended up with, and this is the start of laying pavers.
There is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you.
This is what I've done so far. Please excuse my neighbors, they're very loud. So yeah, I got the second row done, and then I started the third row, and then I have all of this to finish, and then also relaying all of these. So got quite a bit left to do, and we'll get it done hopefully before the first frost. That's my goal.
Lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe. Fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough.
So I got the third row down and level. I think I'm gonna stop for the day because the mosquitoes are out here and they get really bad when it starts to cool off, which is starting to cool off now, and I don't want to get bit. So I have all of those to put down, fill in these gaps, and then get to this part of the yard and start leveling out the rest of the yard. This is definitely a job, a big job for one person, so I'm just gonna take my time with it and do it correctly the best I can. I mean, I don't have leveling sand, but that's okay. I'll use the dirt and try to level it out that way the best of my ability. I mean, it's not perfectly level and perfectly straight, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. All right, so we're almost done here. I got another, let's say, 5 rows done today. And it looks like I have another 4 to go. And then I have to finish this area down here and get rid of this messed up rotted wood stuff and then put new concrete path down this way. But it's coming along. It's coming along. I'm gonna order some furniture even though I know it's not summer, but just something I can have out here for next summer. Hey guys, so I'm on my last bit of the paver setting. I am almost done. I've ordered my outdoor furniture. Yes, I know summer is over, but I will still show you the completed look once I get everything set up. Well, it's going to be the preliminary look, let's say it that way, because I have to wait for the furniture to come, but I will show you what the patio looks like after I finish these last few pavers. So excited. Yay! This is the last little bit of what I need to do. I just have to dig out and level this area here. This part, I kind of cleaned it up a little bit. It was way more raggedy looking before. But eventually I'll put a concrete path here on this side, and then the pavers will start here. And yeah, I'll have these like white marble gravel around, which is great. So it looks pretty good when it's around the border. There's lots of leaves on it now, but it looks really good when the leaves aren't on it. But yeah, I think I have 6. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more pavers to put down. Then we're done. Hey everybody, just letting you know that my furniture finally arrived. So I'm gonna put it together and then I'll let you see how everything looks. Okay friends, that's it. That is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to inspire you to do something grand in your own backyard. Maybe come next spring. But this is going to be the end of the part 1 for this. I will do another video once I get all the furniture and everything set up here and show you how I decorated everything and made it look all pretty. But I hope you have a great day and night wherever you are, and until I see you next time, take care.